So we just got this DEWALT 20-volt blower right out because we've been getting a lot of leaves. It's fall, kind of the tail end of fall, so now is a perfect time to get rid of the leaves, and I want to try this bad boy out. This one did come with the battery and the charger, which I do like. There is a separate one that's the tool only. Just comes in a couple parts, apart from the battery and the charger. Just comes in a couple separate parts. We're gonna take these. They are all bagged up. I did take this one out of the bag, so they all do come pre-bagged, which is nice. Keeps everything clean in the box. This piece here is just gonna snap into there. Now there are these little grooves which align with the little tabs here. You can see on that. So we're just gonna slide those in. This part just snaps in. Now there is a little groove here, and there is a tab on the black side, and just make sure both sides are even as you put it in. It took me a few seconds just to wiggle it in, but once I did, got in there you know, smoothly, and there we go, all put together. So it's not too heavy, has the little end cap there. Really nice leaf blower.